When it comes to making mini twists, I've used different products from hair creams and conditioners to curl creams and gels. But this time, these juicy mini twists are courtesy of this styling mousse from Shiny Organics. It's a curl enhancer, leave-in conditioner, and heat protectant all in one. Once I apply it to my hair, my curls start to pop immediately. But we're not here for a wash and go, are we? Absolutely not. I'm just going to take a section and I'm going to start twisting. No, actually, I like to start my mini twist with a little braid. So I braid the roots and then continue into a twist. When it comes to mini twists, I don't really pay too much attention to the parts like that. Although I do pay attention to the lines when it comes to, like, the lower line and then the line after. Yeah, I pay attention to the lines, but the individual parts of the twist, not so much. But at the end of the day, they always end up coming out fire. I guess I've been doing this for long enough that even my guesswork without any like rat tail comb or parting comb or anything is still, I'm an expert. Mini twist is my absolute favorite protective style because of just how easy it is to do. It's one of the first hairstyles that people tend to learn to do for themselves by themselves, and it also really helps with length retention and moisture retention. Anytime my hair is in mini twist, I don't have to moisturize my hair too often. I can literally get away with moisturizing my hair every 7 to 10 days. Like, I would literally have my wash day, put my hair in mini twist, and then I won't have to touch my hair for almost 2 weeks, and my hair won't be dry. So it helps me to retain moisture. And because of the very minimal manipulation, it also helps me retain length by, reducing breakage. So it is just my favorite hairstyle, like, ever. The style lasts me at least 3 weeks. So that's 3 weeks of no manipulation, like just length retention. It also lets me know when my ends are becoming, very raggedy. It lets me know when it is time for a trim. It makes moisturizing my hair and accessing my scalp very easy. So if I need to oil my scalp or spray my scalp, it's a lot easier than when my hair is just in a big afro. And also, when it comes to moisturizing my hair, like, my hair is literally already in sections, in twists, so I just have to like pump some leave-in conditioner in my hands and rub it in my hair, and I'm just good to go. Honestly, I could go on and on about its benefits for longer, healthier hair, but that's not why we're here today. Okay, we're here to watch me do my hair by myself. But don't worry though, I will link a detailed video about how you can grow your hair with mini twists in the description, so make sure you check that out. And voila, my twists are nice and juicy, looking good. My hair is protected and will be left unmanipulated for at least the next 3 weeks. Of course, except when I want to moisturize my twist. I thoroughly enjoyed the twisting experience with this mousse. I look forward to using it again, even though it has actually almost finished. I hope it will be enough. But yeah, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Here is the video about how you can use mini twists to grow your hair long, strong, and healthy. So make sure you check it out. See you there.